Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got 2013 Honda Fit, doing a cabin air filter on it. Should be the same, 09 to 13, whatever the second generation is. Got a Denso cabin air filter, 4536049. Got it off Rock Auto. You can either use OEM Honda. Denso is an OEM manufacturer for a lot of these. If not, a good quality wicks, stuff of that nature. It's pretty easy to get to. So lower your glove box, and it just kind of have to pinch in on the sides, and it'll come down. It's just these little rubber stops on both sides. It'll allow you to lower the glove box. Make sure you take anything out of it. It'll lower down out of the way. And then, just to give it a little light, hopefully, without blinding you guys. This is your cabin air filter lid. It says airflow on it, pointing downwards. So to make sure if your filter has instructions on which way airflow, it's the best way to tell. He's pinching on both sides. This little lid here. This will come out. Once the whole tray comes out with the filter. Sneak past you. Then to change it, just kind of lift it up and out. Just sits in there. See, this one's not terrible, but it's pretty dirty. You can get a lot of smells and debris in here, depending if you're in an area, a lot of dust, dirt, trees, stuff of that nature. Take a new one out of the box. Sometimes they have instructions. Use them, don't use them. Watch the video, don't care. Then on it, it has your airflow. Since it's supposed to face down, face the filter down. Place it back inside the housing. Make sure it's not like folded up. Make sure it's nice, flat, even. And then take it, place it back up here. Take the new filter, slide it in, make sure it's correctly oriented. I know it's going to be a little hard to see. I'm blocking the light. Slides back in, and it just clicks into place. You take your glove box, push it on the sides, it'll snap back in, and you're done. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want to do. Thanks.